Hey guys, we're doing two things today. First thing is doing a metaphor practice. So I wanted to remind ourselves what is a metaphor, and that is comparing two things, not using like or as. And the example that we had was the calm lake was a mirror. So calm lake is being compared to a mirror. So comparing two things, not using like or as, that is our definition of metaphor. And today you have a metaphor practice. It'll look like this, right in our assignments. And you are going to read each sentence and explain what two things are being compared. So my mind is a puddle in the street reflecting green. We're going to type out what's being compared. So the author's mind is being compared to a puddle. Okay? So that would be how we would do our example. So number one, he overwhelmed the boxer with avalanches of punches. So what are the two things being compared there? Okay? So that is your metaphor practice for today. Today we are starting our book. It is titled Number the Stars. It is by the author Lois Lowry. We've spent the last week or so looking at information about World War II. One of your web quests was specifically about Denmark, and that is where our story takes place. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to do a Google Earth to show you a little bit more about where our story is taking place. So for today, you are reading chapter 1, and you have two options actually. First, you can actually read chapter 1 on your own. I have a Google Doc provided for you. Or, if you would rather, I actually did read it aloud for you. You are free to listen and follow along if you would rather. Okay, it takes about 14 minutes. So that is it for today. Metaphor practice, and then read Chapter 1 in our story, Number the Stars. Hope you guys are doing well. Keep sending questions, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.